Alright, so here it is. Blizzard of 2013 update number 3. Yo, on some real, this is tripping, right? As you can see, it's a lot more snow on the ground and covering things since my last update. It's mad windy out here. Yo, my whole porch is like covered. Usually stuff don't even make it this far back on the porch, but as you can see, that ain't stopping the Blizzard of 13. So, well, that was my little cousin Jason asking me how it look outside. A whole lot of snow. That's what it is. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see this? See how it's coming down? There's no sign of it slowing down. Sorry. Snow just smacked me in my grip. There's no sign of it slowing down yet at all. Y'all see that? That's crazy, right? But that's how it's doing right now. And it's like, what, something? Yo, no sign of it. That's how we roll. On real. This is the Blizzard of 13 in Boston, Massachusetts, folk. Massachusetts, period. Alright? Cool.